Well, hey folks, long time no see. Just a real quick video here. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rubber portion of these hood latches on my TJ. They wear out. Well, they stretch, you know. These are clearly pretty old. You know, they break down over time and they get stretchy, and then when you're driving down the road, your hood flutters, you know. You can get actually really nice ones that are adjustable. They spin and then lock on, and they don't have this rubber stuff at all, so they theoretically last indefinitely. But I'm going the cheaper route. Bought some of these guys. There's a few different brands you can get. I'm sure they're all the same. They were about 20 bucks. And those should swap right into here. So I ended up dicking around a whole lot trying to figure out how to get these pins out. The instructions say you can take a couple of vice grips and break the pin, and I didn't have any luck with that at all. So what I did do is I took a pair of pliers, and I took a little tiny hacksaw, and I was able to fit it in just in the little gap between the cap and the actual latch, and I was able to saw through down to the metal pin. There's a metal core in this, so just saw all the way through until you hit that. You'll know you hit it. And then take a pair of pliers, spin the pin. Keep doing that till you cut the entire circumference around that pin, and now the cap should come right off. Once that's done, you should be able to push the pin through with a hammer and a punch or something like that. If you can't get the pin to go, I found that they kind of like to go one way but not the other, so just go to the other side with your hacksaw and cut that cap off and push it the other way. But I just found this was the easiest way to do it, and the least destructive. Okay, once that's off the Jeep, I just stuck it in my bench vise, squeezed one cap in there really good, and then took my favorite pair of pliers. Oh, which aren't these. Then you should be able to just grab one side and squeeze like hell and twist, and it'll break. Yeah. And the pin will be free. Installation of the new ones is pretty self-explanatory. There's a difference between one end and the other on mine, so just make sure you orient it correctly. I don't think it's going to be the end of the world if you don't, but, you know, something to be mindful of. The fasteners come with thread locker on them already, which is kind of nice since it's tough to get them tightened with a Phillips and a flathead. And yeah, and once you get those tightened up, your new hood latches will be very, very snug. Almost difficult to do up at first, and I think they'll be like that for a little while. But I much prefer them to be real snug than all floppy like they were before. Alright, well, hey, thanks for watching, and if you liked any of this, then please hit that like button and subscribe, check out some of my other stuff, and look forward to more. Let me know down in the comments if there's something you want to see done to this Jeep or one of my others, and yeah, have a fine day.